Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am here for a shout out for home comforts today. So I ordered this set from them about 1 year ago, and when I washed it the color leaked. If I don't know if it's visible enough, you see the little turquoise shade on this off-white silky part, but it was still beautiful. I still used it, like when I put the forks and knives, and also it's not as visible, so I still used it and it was beautiful. I even left a good review on their webpage. Then after like 1 year or so, last week I came across a post from them where they were saying that they have a warranty for their fabric and all. So I just commented that mine leaked color at the very first wash, and obviously I was not expecting anything in return because this was long ago, but they were kind enough to message me and ask me which set I had ordered. I shared a picture of this. They did not even ask me for any of this the fading thing and all. I did not sign any of that. I had a picture in my gallery from the past, and in that picture the condition was all right, but I just sent that picture to show them that this set was the one I ordered, and they offered me a replacement even though the policy is for 14 days. Like I could claim it within 14 days, and I did not even expect it. I did not ask it, and when they told me it was for 14 days, I said okay, fine, no problem. But then after a few days they messaged me themselves and they asked me if I would like to have this article instead, as that was out of stock already. And they said that they were not happy with the idea that I am not satisfied as a customer, and I think that was really kind of them, and this was a really nice gesture. They did not owe this to me, obviously, and I was in no place to even ask for a refund or return after 1 year. However, they have sent me this set, which is beautiful, and I will be reviewing the set today. I will set my table up and I'll show you how it looks, and this also perfectly goes with my dining table. Like blue. This is a little navy, that's a little electric, but still they kind of have the same blue shade, and my drawing room has the same color sofa, so it will look good. I'm just going to arrange it and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's get this out. The packaging is beautiful. This itself is, you can see the number and the website and everything if you want to place your order. This comes in a silk bag with a zip, and this is nice for storage. The previous one I ordered is also kept in the same bag, so it's nice that you can just keep it flattened up in a cupboard so that you don't get all those folds and marks on it. So this is a really nice packaging as well as storage. Okay, so now let's come to this. These are my, okay, they have a card in here. Then these are the cutlery holders. This is my favorite part because we do get table runners and mats everywhere, but these cutlery holders are a little unique. And let me just show you how it looks with the cutlery. So we have separate pouches made here for these, and you can just put this in, and this is how it will look. So this is beautiful. Then let's come to the next part, the table runner. Now again, it has this really nice tussle at the end, and look at this leafy print. This is self-embossed, and it's very pretty and delicate, and you see the quality, like the feel of it is really rich and nice because it has silk at the back, and this is a self-embossed textured kind of a material, and this looks really classy. I even love the previous one I ordered, and that was one of my favorites, so I cannot say that I didn't like that. However, the color was light, so it was more it tend to get more stains and all, but this is very dark, so I'm hoping that this will not have that problem. Plus both the shades, the back and the front, are the same shade, even with the cutlery holder, right? So I'm assuming when I wash it, even if it slightly leaks the color, it won't have stains because the color is same. The other set had a little turquoise shade, while the rest of it was light off-white creamy kind of shade, which made the turquoise appear on the white part. But this one looks more durable to me. So this is nice. I will now arrange my table just to show you how I will be placing the stuff. I will put the cutlery holder here, okay, because I haven't taken out the entire dinner set right now. This is not the time for lunch or dinner, so I am just placing the stuff here to show you how it looks. And I have two glass sets that are blue, so I will just see which one goes well with this. I think I'll use the big one for now, so I'll remove this. And then I have these napkins. So I got this made myself, the napkins. I got them stitched, and I got these rings in black with my other gold and black set. So I don't have blue or plain gold rings right now, but I'm just placing it here. So this looks really pretty. Now I will set up the entire table. I'll bring the rest of the plates and cutlery and everything to the table. I'll arrange it, and then I'll show you the final look. Okay, so here is the final table setup. Since I was not serving the food or anything right now, so I've just randomly arranged everything. So I have kept a dinner plate here, but I did put the tea set here, so I was thinking that I could also use it for tea time. And then I have like dessert plates with this set, so in that case I will be having the dessert plate on the runner, and then we will be having those plates over here. So the setup will be a little different. I just arranged it in two ways. So one is this and the other is this, and I have just placed a few things here, but normally when we serve food, then there are dishes and stuff over here. However, look at the quality, the texture, the color, the overall look of these mats. And this, so this is a honeycomb pattern, and this is a leafy pattern. It has its own little shine, even though this is like a very dark blue color, but it has a little shine. These nice tassels. So I have a table of 6, and they sent me 6 mats and 6 cutlery holders. So if I have to place that, that will come on top of this part, right? So right now I have only arranged it for 4 because we are 4 people at home and we're not expecting any guests right now. So this goes perfectly with my sofa and the chairs, and we have gold with almost everything, the cutlery and all. So this gives a really nice tint with gold. I think this is looking beautiful. So tell me, how do you like it? Okay, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.